Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the all-day breakfast sticks from Cavendish Farms. These are new and they're pretty cool. It's like a little hash brown just in a stick form like that. Kind of like a tater tot but taller. It's interesting because I love hash browns. Hash brown sticks is new. We got 160 calories per 5 pieces or 85 grams. 9 grams of fat, 21 grams of carbohydrates with 2 fibers, 0 sugar, and 2 grams of protein. Ingredients being potatoes, vegetable oil, yellow corn flour, salt, granulated onion, spice extractives, sugar, dextrose, there's no sugar in it, and sodium acid phosphate, what help to retain color. Okay, interesting. So the frozen fried potatoes, I cooked these in my air fryer for about 10 minutes and they look really good. I have fish there with it, but I want to get right into these. Look like they have a good crunch to them. All right. Hot and steamy. These kind of taste like tater tots, but like more onion. Kind of similar to it. It is essentially just a hash brown in a strip format instead of the normal patty format. I like these. These are different. They're kind of like French fries, but thicker and more hash browny. Try with ketchup. These are good. I like it. These new all-day breakfast by Cavendish Farms hash brown sticks are pretty good. Like, if you like hash browns from McDonald's being like my favorite, these hash browns are still very good. And honestly, like they're kind of like potato, French fry, similar to tater tots. Like you kind of get a combination of everything all there. So it's interesting. They're very good though. I like them. So I want to give these all-day breakfast sticks a 7.5 to an 8 out of 10. They're just like normal hash browns, but in stick format, and that's easier to eat. Probably closer to an 8. These are good though. I like them a lot. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.